Keep it going. A little passenger. Oh yeah. Yeah, go ahead and back up a little. See if I can get like half a rock in there. It should be all right.
Just kind of bump it. See what happens. It might be able to do with that.
Let me see here. Try and balance these out a little bit so they don't kind of wander around.
I think if I can get that rotor up there and this one just started,
Yeah.
it'll get it. It might do it.
It wants it.
Oh, you push the pull button.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna try not bumping it first.
Okay. Try going, before you do that, try going a little bit more passenger. I know it's... Ooh, you're so close.
I'm gonna try to bump it.
Okay. Let me check your drive shaft. Make sure it's not gonna... Oh yeah, you got plenty of room. Dude, they're working overtime.